heartbeat calm. Soul hums freely, mind works beautifully. Air seems fresh, and this old still becomes less an appreciation of a tree. Hello everyone, welcome back to the world where creativity never ends. Crimson Crafts. Myself Prerna, welcome you all to the channel where I share home decor DIYs and unique artworks. So what's special that you have planned for Environment Day? Nothing yet? Here I have 5 trendy planter ideas that I'm sure your guests are going to leave a remark for. The links of all the products used in the video are given in the description box. So do make sure to check them before starting with any project inspired from this channel. Let's get started. So guys, for the first DIY, I'm taking this old plastic container and I'm going to make a Madhubani planter from that. And I'm just applying a coat of gesso. Basically, gesso gives a ready to paint surface and the color will not come off easily if you apply gesso. Now I have done the base coat of mint color, mint green, and I have used chalk paint to put the base coat. I have purchased this chalk paint from Itsy Bitsy Little Birdie. If you wish to purchase the same, you may use the link that is given in the description box. Now with the help of black chalk paint, I am just making the borders. Now this is how it looks after completing the borders. I have made dots and I have given certain detailings using dot tools. And for the dot work also I have used chalk paints only. And now with the help of a gel pen, I am just drawing out a Madhubani design. So guys, you can draw any random design. Basically, in other words, it's a mandala drawing. I have also used sketch pen in some places to make it look bold and darker. If you are confident enough, you may also do the same procedure with paints. You may use black chalk paint or black acrylic paint. Basically, chalk paint gives you a matte finish, whereas acrylic paint gives you a glossy finish. So it totally depends upon you, but both of them are usually same. If you want to know how to make homemade chalk paints, let me know in the comment section. I will also try to put a tutorial related to that. Our design is almost done. Now what I have done is I have drawn the same design, just a replica of that on the back side also, and I have just filled up the empty space by adding some black polka dot. It just looks amazing. Let's move on to our next DIY. I am making a kawaii planter. Basically, kawaii means cuteness and you may add it on your desk or on your dining table. You may just add a succulent plant on that and the look of the place will totally change. So I am taking this empty food delivery container. We usually have these and many a times we throw these and we don't even think what can we do with it. Whereas there are so many alternative ideas by which you can make it to some use. So guys, here I am using acrylic paints only, and I have done the base coat first using acrylic paint. Then I have done orange color. And now I am making some dots using a darker shade, that is red. I have also drawn the eyes using black color, and I have also drawn the cheeks using pink color. It looks very cute and elegant, and I do really hope that you will like plastic, so it will take time to cover it up, and you have to cover it up nicely so that the result looks very clean. And now I'm going to cut the bottom part. Now here I'm using Fevicryl molded. Fevicryl molded has two parts, that is resin and hardware. You have to take equal quantity of both of them and mix it equally until it's white. Here I'm doing the modeling part. For that I have made two coils like this. And now I have cut the bottom part of the body and also. And now I'm going to shape the legs. You see how I'm making the shoes and how I'm attaching it to the body. You may just take a box or anything that is a little bit higher than your normal surface, and then you may place it. So guys, it will dry almost in 90 minutes, and it is basically air dry clay that is available for 20 rupees a pack. It is very easily available in any kind of stationery shop. So here I have done some splashes also, and this is the final reveal. It really looks very great, and this really is quite easy to make. Let's move on to our next DIY, that is the sloth hanger. I have done the molding like this. I have taken a plastic container and I have covered it with molded clay. So guys, to make the face, I have taken two caps of any soft drink and I have joined it together using molded clay. I have also covered the container, that is the body part of the sloth, using molded clay, and I have done some texturing using dot tools or with molding tools. I have also added the hands as I showed you. Now I just painted yellow color. I have chosen light yellow here. You may use green, brown. And I'll also do the detailings. So in order to make the body texture, I used modeling tools. You may use simple home available items also, like some bottle cap or vegetable cap. Now I'll make the eyes. For eyes I'm taking brown color, black color and white color. And this sloth planter really looks very cute. So here's the review of our last and final DIY, that is the sloth hanger. Even it looks very cute. You may keep it on your desk or use it as an artifact also.